But I think in general, most of the totals are coming in that 6 to 10 inch range that we said it would. And I'll show you, said St. Charles County might even push up around 11 inches. Turns out we actually did get a report. I'll show you that in the updated snow totals. Let me start with where there's still snow falling, though. You saw it falling in Edwardsville with Dion right there off to the east. That little band, by the way, of more moderate snow. See how it just disappeared? It's that bright white band, and then it's gone. There's still snow falling, but that bright white band that can accumulate a couple tenths of an inch pretty quickly, that's done with. So you've got some very light snow in Highland. Collinsville, it'll probably ease up really soon here. O'Fallon, Illinois as well. You've been seeing some of it. You saw that band kind of briefly, so you probably saw that snow pick up in intensity and then ease up. So that's going to move out, and for most of us, this is going to end this evening and it's done. I just want to point this out. This is going to weaken, but it'll come through overnight and may produce a dusting to a half an inch or so for areas south, like Farmington. That's going to miss St. Louis. This is the latest on the totals. This is not finalized because we still have some storm spotters calling in some numbers, so it may go up a little bit in spots. And by the way, I'm going to take these numbers in this snowstorm and kind of compare it just to see where it sits to historical storms like the blizzard of '82. I'll do that coming up at 4:45, by the way. But right now, look at that higher total came in Harvester at 11 inches. That's an area we were forecasting 7 to 11, and I said some spots may be pushing up in that upper boundary. Indeed, Harvester at 11, O'Fallon, Missouri at 10, almost 10 in Lake St. Louis. Notice the different colors. Anything in pink is 8 inches or more. Just kind of wanted to highlight some of the higher totals. And then lower totals, but still really significant snow. Collinsville at 6.2 inches, Webster Groves at 6 inches. Let's zoom out, get a bigger view of the area here. Edwardsville with 7 inches, Hillsboro, Illinois at 8 inches. That first wave produced the most snow up in Louisiana. That was almost a foot, 8 inches out in St. Clair, Missouri. So a lot of snow on the ground, and you can see it from the BJC Skycam network. That's I-55 near Butler Hill Road. It's 20 degrees right now officially out at Lambert, but it feels like 7. That wind is brutal, and it's going to be brutal again tomorrow morning. I'll show you the wind chills coming up. Just want to show you this in Super Predictor. 7 o'clock, maybe there's spots of light snow, but generally ending. And there's this wave that weakens, but could produce a dusting. Minor accumulations to the south overnight by 7 a.m. Done. And actually, we'll get into some sunshine tomorrow afternoon. It's still cloudy, I think, in the morning. We're at 9, though. It's going to be a colder morning, 9 in Belleville as well. I mentioned how the winds are a factor. They're not extremely windy tomorrow morning, but 7 to 10 miles an hour with that type of cold makes it feel like -2 in St. Louis. So we're talking below 0 wind chills tomorrow morning. But like I said, it does turn sunny. 21 degrees by noon, a sunny and cold day, mostly sunny in the afternoon, the high of 27. Stays below freezing. Normal high would be 43, by the way, 22 at 6 o'clock, dry and cold. So temperatures stay below freezing actually both Friday and Saturday. You'll still notice, especially the sunshine eating away at the snowpack a little bit, so it'll shrink and compact, but it's going to be there through the weekend. There'll be a lot more melting, though, on Sunday at 39, but it's not all melting away just because we have so much of it. Then we're below freezing for our high on Monday. I think we'll see a lot of this snowpack get eaten away at and melt away as we head into next week with several days with highs in the 40s Tuesday, Wednesday.